Hey guys, welcome to the video. Guys, they already ran 4K and already trained. And I was just watching today. It was like a YouTube video about anime and parts that they kept it real. And one of the parts we literally started with like Bojack, I think that's his name, like trying to work out, and a guy comes and it's like gets easier, and but you have to keep going every day. That's all he said. That's the hard part. That's all he said. And man, it really gets easy. It really felt like nothing, to be honest. I could go again. You know, I'm thinking about it, to be honest. It was too easy today, but I don't know if this is a great thing to do. I'm gonna get super tired. But yeah, I just ain't sweat. I like to be in sweat. I like to be sweat, but I ain't. So in my head, it's like, I didn't do enough. I definitely didn't do enough. Even though I'm pretty tired now that I'm running. I know I have all this energy. Maybe it's really made for me to record the video. I don't know. I feel good, you know what I mean? Yo, people where I live, man, they have a very different style. Yeah, all of them, This is the woke shit. Yeah, but as I was saying, it gets easier. It gets easier. And it was so easy that I was about to start again, but then I felt like I'm cool, you know what I mean? Because I've been sticking with this plan, 4 kilometers run, Calisthenics strength. And when I overdo it, I felt very bad. So, I don't know, man. But yeah, definitely way easier today. Damn, now I'll be thinking shit, I should keep going. Like today I don't feel like it, but tomorrow I'm going to make like a proper assumption, even if I have to go like the extra mile. But yeah, see. Hey guys, end up, after shutting off the video, putting music, Moses, like the Prince of Egypt music, and end up running another 4K and working out with these techniques. And I even did like amazing things holding you on. Bro, it's like when I'm really doing what I enjoy with the music, the exercise is even ultra harder to a point that I cannot even give that when I'm not listening to music and vibing. And I believe eating 8 kilometers today when I got to the park set of 1.5 also makes me, better and bigger. So I'm sweating now. It's noticeable. It was raining on my face while running. And yeah, guys, 8 kilometers, 2 workouts, 1 meal a day, giving that energy up. I've been telling you this is the way. See ya.